Before starting advanced yoga pose, I am doing warm up from neck joint to till toes. This is just simple warm up to loosen up the muscles and stiffness. And main thing is just avoid from any injuries. It's a simple warm up. If you want to see warm up video, you can check in my descriptions. You have to stretch every part slowly. As you can see in the video, it's a simple warm up, but it's very helpful. Before advanced position, we are just stretching the legs, hands, sides and all the parts. Now from here we are starting little advanced poses. This is Trikonasana, triangle pose. You can follow at home, but slowly. Now here your chest should be front facing. Your upper hand and lower hand should be in one line. Now after some time you can take the upper hand top of your head. Maintain the position for some time. You can feel the stretch behind the leg as well as on your side. And the same way you have to come up. Now same position, other side also we have to do it. Try to do your posture gracefully. Your chest should be facing front. Here remember, your breath should be normal and natural. And slowly you have to come back. Now this is a balancing pose. One leg you have to take it back and both the hands should be back side. Your back is getting arch. You can feel little pressure on the lower back, but it's fine. It's just strengthening your back. Those are practice daily. They can do it very easily with focus. Here you need focus. Maintain the position with gazing any point and down. Here this position also, it's very balancing and very tough initially. Here you need more focus and balance. Again you can feel little pressure on the back, but that is fine. One leg is front, your both the hands back and you are arching the back. Your whole load on the one leg. Same thing you can follow the other leg. This position you have to hold the ankle from inside. Now here you can gaze any point front and slowly you have to kick your leg and focus and breathe. Hold for some time and come back. This is just a showing to advanced poses, but if you can hold for a little longer time, that is great. You have to main thing here, you need focus, little strength and little flexibility. Now in this position you have to bend forward and slowly take one leg up. Now this pose looks simple, but it is not. Now here you have to, once you focus completely, once you control your limbs, try to hold the ankle. Initially it will be more tough, but once you practice daily it will be more easy. So hold for some time, maintain the balance and you have to come back. Here your pressure is coming on the toe as well as the leg which is down. You have to gaze any point down, focus there and control all your body parts. Be there for some time. And slowly come back. Now here this is more advanced pose. Again, while bending forward you have to keep one hand little side and you have to lift one leg sideways. Both hands try to keep it one line. This is called Ardha Chandrasana. But from here, once you balance, try to join your palms. Here little tough initially. Again the pressure is coming on the leg and maintain position for some time. Be there. This is kind of little advanced pose for starting, but again practice makes man perfect. Same position with other leg. Focus, strength, stamina is very important for balancing pose. Now here this is inverted pose from Parvatasana. You have to take one leg up and you can fold it. Here you are getting nice stretch and arch on your back as well as you are opening up your hip joint and getting nice stretch for your oblique. It's also very good to open up the ligament of the hip. Now again in this position you have to take one leg up. On all fours you have to take one leg up, take it around and slowly try to push your hip little up and give a nice stretch your hand backward. Same thing with other leg. Lift it up, drop it and stretch one hand back. Here you need little strength on your hand. So strength is important here and you have to push your hip up. In this position again you have to drop both the knees, both the legs one side, both the hands in one line and your upper leg little up. The pose look like a flag. Maintain the balance for some time and come down. Same with the other leg. Practice is very important for advanced pose. Practice daily, make yourself stronger. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much. See you for next video, next poses in next video. Thank you.